and subscribe to Raw Outdoors. Thank you, viewers.
Get that buzzard. Awesome.
There he goes.
Hello, viewers. I'm Raw. Thank you. 14,500-year-old flood, Franklin County, Missouri. We all have heard of the flood, the Great Flood, and the last ice age. We got proof of it here in Missouri also. I'll show you. Well, at one time, the Merrimack River run right at us up this slough ditch here. Hit this large hill and run this way to our left. I know it's hard to see, but you can kind of see the big boulders up on this hillside. That's where the water washed the sorrel, rode around these rocks before it broke through. Now, I'm going to say the river went along this hillside, 2-mile circle to loop back up here to the spot exactly broke through to. Bunch of eroded rocks up there, hard to see. Leaves are on. Historical Lost Hill. Oh, I need to slow you down. I move a lot. 14,000-year, 500 flood. Over here we see that. You can actually see it pretty good. This is where that hillside continued over here before the flood. Behind us is a big horseshoe loop peninsula, isthmus. But this was a continuation. 15,000 years ago, the river went behind us. Amazing. This is it. Always graffiti. All right, viewers. Let's watch the video. Like this content, consider subscribing. Have a great day. Raw out.